Hey guys, it's Jason20W. I'm using my old cell phone that I was using to make my videos before, because I'm finally gonna make that video of the camcorder that I use. I honestly forgot all about it, but okay, here we go. There's the case for it. It's got a pocket in the front and a little deal on the back so you can put it on a belt. Let's see here. Hang on. Get it out of the case here. And it is a DXG digital video camera. It's got the little lens cover on it. It's got flash, USB, TV out, headphone jack. Let's see, this is the menu button. This is zoom, play, power, record, and this deal here does a whole bunch of other stuff. But it is it's a camcorder, a digital camera, MP3 player, and voice recorder all in one. It's got, let's see, 4x zoom, digital zoom. Let's see, there's the screen. DXG model 506V is what it is. Oh, sorry about the shaky camera there. I tell you, you go from my phone that I'm using now, and then you go to this, and then you go in between the two. Boy, is that a big difference. Holy cow. And then in here's the battery compartment. Spring-loaded. 4 AAA batteries. I have rechargeables in it, but works pretty good. Takes good video. Well, obviously, you guys already know that, but well, there's the video on my camcorder. If anybody is wondering, like features and stuff like that or whatever, if there's any other questions or whatnot, just go ahead and message me and let me know. Alright, well, please rate, subscribe, comment, and all that, and talk to you guys later. Peace.